Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So students, today we are going to learn about new topic bones and muscles. Our body has bones and muscles. So students, can you feel your bones and muscles? Yes. You can even touch your bones. So, here are 5 sense organs: ear, nose, tongue, skin. So, students, have you feel some parts of your body with your finger? Yes, some parts are soft and some parts are hard. So, students, the soft part of the body are called muscles and the hard part of our body is bones. You can see in this picture, the first picture shows the bones, which is the hard part of the body, and the second part, and in the second picture the bones are covered with the soft part, which is called muscles. So students, you can see in this picture, yes, these are bones, different shapes of bones. Yes, these are the different type of bones. Bones give shape and support to the body. You can see the last picture. The bones give shape and support to the body. We stand with the help of bone. You can see the second and the first picture. This skeleton, yes, this is standing position, and we stand with the help of bones. In newborn baby, there are 300 bones, while in adult, there are 206 bones. Muscles. The soft part of the body is muscles. Muscles help us to move our body. Muscles are soft. They help us to move our bones. Bones are covered with muscles. See this? Muscles help us to move our body. We have, and our body have, more than 600 muscles. More than 600 muscles. Okay? Skeleton. Skeleton. The bones in our body form a framework. The strong part of something which gives shape is called framework. You can see these two pictures. Yes, the bones is our body form. In our body form a framework. So bones gives shape and support to our body. The framework of bones is called the skeleton. Skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Okay? So now we will talk about joints. Yes. Joints. What are joints? The place where two or more bones are joined together called joint. Joint used to allow movement in our body. Joint used to allow movement in our body. It is difficult to move without joints. You can see there are so many joints. You can see the first picture. There are different joints, and in second picture you can see the hand. In hand there are so many joints. Yes, the strongest joint. Which is the strongest joint? Jaw. Yes, jaw is the strongest joint in our body. You can see these joints, different joints. Okay, let's do one thing. So my dear students, just what you have to do, you have to close all your fingers. Okay, then one by one open your finger. 1, 2, then third finger, then fourth, and the last fifth one. Okay, this is called movement. Yes, movement of fingers. Yes, we are able to move our hand with joints. Yes, we are able to move our hands or move our finger with the help of joint. Okay, so students, see the left side. Move your neck to the left side. Okay, then move your neck to the right side. Then see upward. Then see downwards. Yes, with the help of joint you can move your neck. Yes, this is called neck joint. So there are several joints in our body. With the help of joint we can move our body. Yes, some joints or bones are short, long. Okay, so the bones and muscles of our body work together. The bone and the muscles of our body work together. So this is all about bones and muscles. Allah